In this video, I'll show you how to connect Airtable to N8N and create and update records. First, log into your N8N account and create a new workflow. Next, add the trigger that will start your workflow, such as a schedule trigger or webhook. Now click the plus button and add an Airtable node. After that, connect your Airtable account by adding your Airtable credentials and authorizing access. Next, select the base and table you want to use. To create a record, choose the Create Record operation and map your incoming data to the correct Airtable fields. Now add another Airtable node if you also want to update existing records. Select the Update Record operation and provide the record ID along with the fields you want to change. After that, connect the nodes and click Execute Workflow to test the automation. Check Airtable and confirm that the new record was created or the existing record was updated correctly. Finally, save and activate the workflow so N8N can automatically create and update Airtable records whenever your trigger runs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Airtable to N8N and create and update records. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.